We've seen many videos that gave us the concepts of hologram. If we talk about movies like Star Wars and Iron Man, these were the movies that introduced us with the concepts of hologram. So today we'll be teaching you how you can make a hologram by yourself. So watch the video till end to get to know something interesting today. Let's start the procedure of making a hologram. Take a big size cardboard and draw shapes and mark the measurements on top of it. For this you will need a scale, cutter and a pencil or pen. Once you're done with it, pop the small pieces of cardboard on the table one by one. These are the accurate measurements of every single piece of cardboard that will be used to make hologram. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of it if you want. Now take a coloring spray. We've taken yellow color spray and spray it on each side of the cardboard piece to give it a better look. Firstly, we'll be making mobile holder on top of which mobile will be placed. For this, we're applying glue and attaching the long bars and small bars of cardboard together. Two long bars and two small bars are glued on top of the rectangular shaped cardboard. So, our mobile holder is ready. Let's work on the making of side walls now. For this we will place cardboard wall pieces on top of the base of the hologram and then we will put the glue on both the sides of the wall so that they will stay in their place firmly. Now we'll be working on the main part of the hologram, the screen, which we will make with the help of a polypropylene sheet. We will place it on the front side of the hologram and then we will attach it to the side walls with the help of needles. It's a little difficult to push the needles in the cardboard with naked fingers, so do it carefully. Now put some glue on sides of the front side of the PP sheet so that we can place small triangular shaped side walls on top of it and then add some needles to the cardboard wall so it stays firm in its position. Now do the same for the other side. Our hologram is almost ready. Let's put mobile holder on top of it and let's see if the mobile fits in it or not. It fits really well. Now we'll be making back cover or back wall of the hologram. For this we will need a black colored cardboard paper. Now measure the back walls and fold and cut the black paper accordingly. Once done, put some glue over the cardboard walls and attach the black cardboard paper on top of it so that it completely covers the back side of the hologram. Press it for a few minutes so it sticks perfectly. Our hologram is ready. And now it's time to test the hologram. For testing, we've searched for a hologram video on YouTube and played it inside the mobile, which will be placed on top of the hologram in mobile cover. Enjoy the holographic view. Here's the mechanism behind hologram. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.